What's up, guys? Angry Creeper 999 back with another epic video.
Sita.
Now, today, my brother Tori gave me Satsfatori on his computer. Now, Darren, my brother, he plays Satsfatori a lot, but
what is that similar to?
I'm going to start a new game. Hey, Tori!
Yeah, well,
what's the thing up here where it says veggie and me and Angry Creeper 999?
it's just your FBI agent, don't worry.
Well,
Yeah,
guys,
I'm your FBI agent.
let's get right into it. I don't know what this is, but I like the desert.
Well, you got 5 minutes till you have to get off my computer.
Okay, Brandon.
My name's not Brandon.
Yes. Mom told me.
I don't have a mom anymore.
That's right, Brandon. Sorry, Brandon. Oh, Brandon, look at this, Brandon.
My name's Philip.
Philip, look at this. So, guys.
Alright, for that you get 3 more minutes.
Cheeto.
Fix-It Pioneers, recyclable necessary buildings.
Hey, Brandon.
Implemented natural resources to provide desired results in the infrastructure. Make sure
Give me the keyboard.
His name's not Brandon. You absolute trash.
expand your
Okay, well, first of all, you gotta move the camera like so. You see, Will?
Yeah, I see, Brandon.
Get to work and be effective.
Then you gotta watch the cartoon again, and go away.
Imminent.
And just use the super jump, like so.
Atmospheric entry in 5,
See?
3, 2, 1.
Hey, you understand everything?
I see a fire, Brandon.
It's okay, just don't turn off your PC.
Brandon, what happened?
Don't turn off the PC. Your PC's gonna catch on fire.
Oh, guys. We're having a pretty epic start
It's a present.
Okay, guys.
Planet Massage 2.
Now look at this man.
Pioneers, such as you, in their mission. You are the
Now,
third of the sector
guys,
to survive planet
I
Earth.
really like
Congratulations.
presents.
Are you gonna grab the present?
Especially because it's
Objective-based
getting
introduction
close
initialized. Welcome
to
to onboarding.
Christmas. Now I can't
Objective.
pick a man.
The resulting materials will be repurposed to
Now,
construct
man.
a habitat and utility base, from now on referred to as the hub.
Look at this
Note,
epic
Exit Incorporated
thing,
is cost-effective
man.
and efficient.
Oh,
We do not waste.
Brandon, stop touching my keyboard.
No!
Brandon,
No!
stop.
Is
Brandon,
that my keyboard? I paid
Brandon, what did you do?
the game. I'm gonna quit the game. I'm gonna quit the game.
No, you're not.
I am one. What?
No, Brandon, stop it.
I am
Stop
one.
it,
I'm
Brandon.
with you, Joe. You just sucks.
Brandon.
I dislike every single video.
No, what this, Brandon?
This is all your fault, Will.
His name is not Brandon.
You're a
Well,
mistake.
guys,
You're
we're
a
gonna be
mistake.
recording.
Yeah, I'm your FBI agent. His name is definitely not Brandon.
Well, guys, let's play a new game on Darren's computer.
Hey, Will, stop punching me. Stop punching me.
Yeah, Brandon.
Will.
Okay, guys, I wonder
get milked.
what.
Get milked. Get
Hey,
milked.
FBI
Get milked.
agent.
This is your FBI agent. Can you, please come down to the office? We'd like to have a word with you.
Okay. Hey, wait.
Oh!